Data types in Java. Coming to the data point of view, the Java is a strongly typed language. Strongly typed meaning is that once the variable has been created by using a data type here, it allows only the corresponding data type values only. It will not allow the other data values here. Each variable has a data type that determines kind of data it stores. Means in the variable, what is the data you are storing here? Whether you are storing the characters, short integer, integer value, long value, or it may be the float point value and the below value here. What kind of data it stores. The second one is the amount of memory it requires. This data determines the how much memory has been required to store the corresponding variable. The operation that can be performed on it. What are the operations we are doing on the corresponding variables here? Means the data type determines the three things here. The first one is the kind of data it stores. The second one is the amount of memory it has provided. The operation that can perform on it. Data types are carried in the two things. The first one is a primitive. The second one is a non-primitive here. Primitive data is non-primitive here. The non-primitive meaning is a reference here. Come to primitive data point of view. Primitive data types are the most basic data types and not the objects here. Primitive point of view, these are the basic data types or fundamental data types are the core types here. These are provided in the Java itself here. And also these are not having the objects here. They hold the simple values directly within the memory here. There are the 8 primitive data types: byte, short, int, long, float, double, char and boolean. These four are comes under the integer category, and these are comes under the float category, and this is the character and this is the boolean data here. Come to the chart here. If the data type is a byte here, then the memory is allocated 1 byte here. 1 byte meaning is 8 bits here. The default value is a 0 and this is the range here, minus 128 to 127. Short point of view, the size is a 2 bytes, the default value is a 0 and the range is a minus 32,768 to 32,767. Int is a long byte, 4 bytes. The default value is a 0 and the range is a minus 2 power 31 to 2 power 31 minus 1. Long 8 bytes. The default value is a 0L minus 2 power 63 to 2 power 63 minus 1. Up to this one, up to this one, up to the long. These are called as a integers. What is integer? A number which doesn't allow any fractional part. Those are called as the integers. Next, coming to the floating point of view, float and double. The float size is 4 bytes. The default value is 0.0f, and this is the range here. Double is 8 bytes. The default value is 0.0d. In the previous case 0.0f. Now in this case 0.0d. D stands for decimal. F meaning is the floating point, and this is the range here. Character 2 bytes. The default is the slash 00. Then the null character here. 0 to 65,535, and these are called as the Unicode characters. Why? Because they are beginning with the slash u. And the last one is boolean, 1 bit here. The default is a false here. It may be the true value, it may be the false value. Here I wrote one simple code here. Byte b equals to 10, short s equals to 200, integer I equals 5000, long l equals to 1,50,000 l, and float f equals to 3.4 f. Double is d equals to 314, and this is value here. Character c equals to a boolean b, bool equals to true. Byte plus b. What is the b value? 10. Here the answer is 10. System dot out of internet short plus s. The s value is 200. System dot out of the int plus I. What is I value? 5000. System dot out of the long plus L. The value is 1,50,000. Float plus F 3.14. Double plus D 3.14159, like this one. Character C. The character is A. Boolean bool. The value is a true value. Coming to the non-primitive data types, these are called as the reference data types here. Why? Because they point into the memory address here. The examples are the strings is a non-primitive data type, arrays is a non-primitive, class is a non-primitive, interval is a non-primitive, enum is a non-primitive. All these are the reference data types here. See this one. String name equals to Java. System dot print a hello plus name dot to uppercase. Hello Java will be the answer. The reference variables are stored as a part of the objects, not the actual data. Coming to the primitive and non-primitive. Primitive point of view, they stores the actual values. Non-primitive point of view, they are storing the reference here. Primitive stores the actual values, actual data. Non-primitive stores the reference here. And this is the fixed size, whereas this is the variable size. Cannot be null. Okay, this can be null here. I will complete summary here. Java provides the A primitive data types for the simple values here. Non-primitive type represents the complex structure and also the objects. Yes, the understand data types help manage memory and perform the efficiency. And this is about the data types in Java.